Hey, how's it going? My name is Matthew, in case you're new to my channel. I am the leader and founder of Trading. We are a group of day traders and investors who have come together to learn and practice investing and trading and help each other be profitable. If that's something that interests you, please go ahead and click the first link in the description. So in today's video, I'm going to do a little rundown of this previous month for me, what it's done, and what's going to be happening in the future. So I thank you for watching. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and leave a comment at the end of this video, and let's get into it. So this past month, I did a trading only BTC challenge, so trading only Bitcoin for the month of July, and I kind of documented that for y'all. And I hope that it was very interesting and that you learned a lot through the live streams and the daily uploads, as well as through the Discord. That challenge is now over for me. I deposited initially $660. I took out $1,300, $1,300 2 days ago. Yesterday I took the day off, so I took it off 2 days ago. It is a little before August 1st, but we were close enough to where, like, with the weekend and everything, I wasn't going to be trading anymore, and I had bills and other crap I had to pay. So the challenge is over. I successfully more than doubled my money, or actually about 100%, almost exactly 100%. And yeah, we're feeling good about it. So again, this was over 1 month. It was like 11 or 12 trading days. We were up 100%, which is just something that you cannot find anywhere else. If you're in the stock market, you're going to have to really work hard for that money. If you're trading crypto, you're still going to have to work really hard for that money. But we were able to do it by following our rules, our practices, our principles, using our indicators correctly, watching the price action, all of that stuff that we just basically documented that out, allowed us to pull in this 100% gain, which is something that not a lot of people are able to do. I was up almost close to 450% at one point, took a huge L, but even with a big loss, we're able to still end up 100% on the month, which is just incredible. So again, thank you all for watching, being a part of this journey. If day trading is something that interests you, please click the second link in the description, and I can show you how you can make these massive gains. So moving forward, what's going to be happening with the channel, and because I got a lot of good feedback from kind of showing the progression journey. So I will be trading a lot of stocks moving forward, swing trading stocks, potentially getting into some options, as well as getting into crypto. Crypto is going to wait a little longer just so I can get my, I'm starting a new job mid of August, and after I start that new job, I'll be putting a portion of my paycheck into crypto again, as well as stocks and all that jazz, but I have my stock funds currently active, so we're going to be doing that. I would love to potentially, like, starting September or something, when I have my funds fully, like my trading funds for crypto back up, doing another challenge, maybe doing even a side-by-side, like, stocks and crypto challenge. I think that would be really cool. By challenge, I just mean a trading journey, right? So having a designated start number and seeing how much we can grow that in a 1 month, or maybe even like a quarter or a year, and doing like daily uploads for that quarter or that year on how our gains are doing in both the stocks and the crypto markets. If that's something that interests you, please leave a comment in the description with any ideas that you would be interested in watching, just because I think that's pretty useful information, and it definitely makes me trade better, knowing that I'm going to be posting it like live for everybody. So I'm probably leaning towards that. And again, those are with my trading funds. I do have my like invest funds in stocks and crypto that we're not going to be talking about. So these are going to be smaller funds, just trading, and we'll get into it. But yeah, stocks and crypto, and see where it goes. But please leave a comment on what you'd be interested in, especially time frames and anything like that. Everything is useful for me. So I hope you enjoyed this previous month. If you are new to the channel, go watch all those profit videos, the huge loss video, all that junk. Go watch it all. Leave a like for this video because it helps get the word out about our awesome community, and subscribe to my channel. And again, join the Discord. Say what's up to me. Hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you soon, sometime soon. Peace.